Hi! So, if you want to achieve this look, continue watching the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nima Vishnoi and I love traveling as much as I love staying at home. And this series is like me trying learn many looks and makeup looks so that I can try them in my bridal functions and everything. So today's look would be inspired by Draupadi. It'll be consisting of heavy liner, or I'll try to keep eyes a little bit more catchy. So yes guys, let's get it in the video. My skin is acting up a lot these days. I wanted to create a video sooner, but yeah, my skin is not doing well at all. This is a pimple जो मैंने just अभी pop किया है. I think I have a little infection on my face. I think some product I used which did not work well with my skin, and also due to climate change. This is the face we have. This step is very important when you're prepping your face. Today I'm thinking to first go with my eyes and then go for the rest of my face. So for eyes I'll start with color corrector. Just the top of my eyes, because I think so the concept of color corrector helps you to get that even eye. This will be my first step, and do it on the top of my eye and here. Okay. So before going in with my eye, I'll take a powder and just settle the concealer जो हमने eye के ऊपर लगा रखा है. I'll apply eyeshadow. So I'll take a neutral shade and apply it. Okay. Then I will go in with the dark brown color and यहाँ पे edge पे I will apply it. Then I'll go for a lighter shade of brown and apply it on the crease area. I want to try as many eye looks as possible because see, I need a lot of practice. Okay, I think this is nice. The colors are coming in together nice. Now I'll do the same on this eye. Okay. Now I will go in with a lighter shade, like almost like a white shade. How about we go for gold? I think that would be something. So I'll just take a gold glitter, apply it at the center of the eye. Then I'll go in with a lighter shade and apply it here. I'm doing a hideous job right now, but I think trusting the process is all we can do. So when I saw Draupadi ke looks, I realized that she has very shimmery eyes and black everything. Let's just take a brown color in. A kajal and just I'll highlight my. Now let's go in with the liner. So these are the sort of liners I've seen Draupadi wearing. Try and do the same on this eye. So that is my liner. Let's go in with the concealer. Okay. Now I will go in with foundation. Let's let's try heavy foundation. Look how does that goes. Okay, I think the heavy eyes do work. Okay, let's try applying kajal underneath the eyes and making it a little bit more dramatic. So that is after the kajal. Now go in with the white pencil and highlight the inner corners. Something like this. So this is the eye. Now let's go in with mascara because I think that would uplift it all. So mascara ke liye from the side I'll go like that, and for front I'll go like this. Like I'll go like this here and like this here. I think this is the eye where nobody would want to mess with you. Do not mess with me. Loose powder and press it in. We'll let this powder sit like this a little bit extra, but that's okay. Now, like give it a 5 minutes or something, and then I'll like just brush it off. Blush Draupadi के looks में it's almost like orange blush. You'll see, not a very bright poppy pink. I don't have orange blush, so I'll just try and define this area and not bring it very much inside. Like, so I'll be using something like that only to just give that flush, but nothing that is like overly like pink in nature. Okay, so for lips, it's like red lips aesthetic. So I'll go in with a pencil first. Be applying now for the final. I'll just go in with this lipstick, and when I see Draupadi ke looks, it is like heavy eyes, heavy lips, and subtle cheeks. A little bit of highlighter I'll be applying. Me change into a traditional outfit and apply a bindi, and let's see how it goes. So I changed into this outfit, and with this outfit, it doesn't feel like out of place. It feels like this look is killing it. Okay, so this is the final look. I would rate this look, I think, around 6, 7. I think that's good enough. Like, this is cute. The vibe is cute, and Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you like my look, do let me know. If you have any looks in your mind you would want me to create, do let me know. And thank you for watching, thank you for your support, and I'm loving this series because I'm getting to try new makeup looks, and I'm liking that I have this time period where I can experiment, and because of the YouTube video I'm consistent in this step, and I think it'll be very helpful for me. And if you guys are watching, I hope it is helpful for you guys also to create looks you would want. I think last time ka look would go more on Western outfits, and today ka look is more like Indian. It's a little bit on the heavy side for me, but we'll see how we work things out slowly. So yeah, see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.